Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Square Dashboard. View sales and transactions step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type squareup.com in the address bar and press enter. On the Square website, find and click the login button at the top right. Enter the email address associated with your Square account. Enter your Square account password carefully. Click sign in to continue. If prompted, complete two-step verification by entering the code sent to your phone or email. If you use an authenticator app, open it and type the current verification code. After signing in, wait for the Square Dashboard homepage to load fully. Look at the left side menu to find navigation options. Click Dashboard to see a quick overview of your recent activity. To view detailed sales, click Reports in the left side menu. Choose Sales Summary to see totals for the selected time period. Use the date selector at the top to change the range to today, yesterday, this week, or a custom range. Confirm the updated date range so the report refreshes with the correct numbers. To view individual payments, click Transactions in the left side menu. On the Transactions page, review the list showing each payment and its status. Click any transaction to open its details, including amount, date, payment method, and customer info when available. Use the search bar to find a specific receipt number, amount, customer name, or card last 4 digits if shown. Apply filters to narrow results by location, device, status, or payment type. If you have multiple locations, select the correct location filter to avoid mixing results. To check refunds, look for transactions marked as refunded or open the refund details inside a transaction. To export transaction data, find the export or download option on the page if available for your account. Choose the export format such as CSV, then confirm the download. To print or email a receipt, open a transaction and select the receipt or share option. If you cannot log in, click Forgot Password on the login screen and follow the reset steps. If you see an account access alert, verify the sign-in was you and update your password if needed. When finished, click your profile icon and select Sign Out to protect your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.